Dear students, welcome to our class on solar radiation, bits basics 1. So, these are primarily meant for your midterm exam, theory final exam, ICR, JRF, SRF, NET for the basics in the interviews in the right exam. Now, see, the energy that is coming from the sun comes in the form of radiation. What exactly is the meaning of radiation is, see, if you are seeing this one, the energy that is available from this candle is conveyed to this vessel without the presence of the medium. This is what we call it as the radiation. This bit will come. The energy transmission within the, without the presence of the medium is known as radiation. Now, once I have given the energy passing through this particular iron rod, we call it as the conduction, this bit will come. Conduction is one of the forms of transmission of energy without the movement of the molecules. Now, with the actual movement of the molecules, there is a water here. When I am giving the energy here, what is happening is when I give the energy here, the molecules actually move from lower layer to upper layer like that. So, with the actual movement of the molecules, the energy transmission is known as convection. Most important bit, most of the weather phenomena occur because of the convection. Most of the students write wrong answer here, radiation. No, most of the weather phenomena occur because of the transmission of energy through convection, CONVECTION. Now, in this class, what is insolation? We try to understand. Incoming solar radiation. The abbreviated form of incoming solar radiation is insolation. Okay. Next, forms of transmission of energy we have discussed it. Now, basic radiation loss. Simple. This is the basics 1, of course in the basics 2, advances 1, advances 2, I am going to discuss with you what are the basic radiation laws. So, the Planck's law, this bit will come, all 5 laws will come. Planck's law, the electromagnetic radiant energy content, that is E, of each quantum is proportional to the frequency is equal to the frequency given by the equation E is equal to h mu. So this is what this law states that greater the frequency, greater the energy of quantum. The second law is Kirchhoff's law. Kirchhoff's law, in a very simple way, they give question absorptivity. Of course, absorptivity is equal to emissivity. A lambda is equal to E lambda. Stefan's Boltzmann law. Flux of radiant energy is equal to sigma t to the power of 4. This bit will come. Wien's displacement law. Of course, this is very, very interesting. Lambda maximum is equal to 2897 temperature, degree centigrade temperature. Okay, this is what. Now, in the remaining part of this class, I would like to discuss with you solar spectrum. This bit will come. The distribution of energy from the solar radiation, the distribution of solar energy into different bands is known as dash, solar spectrum. In the solar spectrum, usually there are 3 bands. Of the 3 bands, number 1 band up to 0.39 microns is ultraviolet radiation. It has 9% of energy. Ultraviolet radiation has 9% of energy only. UV radiation 9%. Light part, okay, has got 41% and IR part has got 50% of energy. Now, what are short wave, long wave radiation? Energy distributed up to 4 microns is known as short wave radiation. From 4 to 120 microns we call it as long wave radiation. So, these are the things which I would like to discuss with you in the form of bits in the basics 1 class. Thank you very much. May God bless you.